his room with the filthy eggs.
You're crazy.
Did you kiss your mother with that?
Robot bounty hunter.
What?
Ooh, oh.
Get it on!
Not to mention that
What?
dog.
And ruin all his frustration?
Why?
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? Well, ah!